This car is a 1/10 scale Thunder Tiger. It's a DT10 model, although this one's been slightly upgraded because it has a Hyper 21 engine in. Normally it would come with a 0.12 or possibly a 0.15, but this one's got a 0.21, so it makes it a little bit faster than most. It comes complete with a controller and a full set of manuals, which includes a parts list. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have a look at this car. We're going to start it up, run it around the garden, see how it behaves in preparation for sale on eBay. So the first thing to do is let's have a look under the bonnet. I've got the body clips in my hand, so we'll use those in a moment. And you can see there's your Hyper 21 engine, all in there ready to go. It'll come with the fuel that's in it, which is nearly a full tank of fuel. You can see here it's a standard setup that uses one servo for throttle and for brake, and a second servo for steering. So let's turn the car on and turn the controller on and see how she behaves. There's the car on and the controller on, and we'll extend the aerial slightly and we'll check on the operation. So first of all, we're going to check on the operation of the throttle, and you can see there's the throttle operation. That's good. And also the operation of the brake, and there's the operation of the brake. You'll see that in action when we run it in a moment. And then secondly, the operation of the steering. You can see there it's got really strong steering on this one. So let's start her up, run around the garden and see how she goes. So to get this car started, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put the throttle of the trim up slightly, so that it actually opens the throttle to a little bit less than idle. That means the car will start fast, and then I can bring the throttle down afterwards. It gives me a chance to get it warmed up while I put the cover on, but also it just gives it a little bit of fuel to start up. So I've got the cover clips in my hand. Let's start the car up and run it around the garden. To bring this car to a stop, we put our finger on the exhaust. There we are. To bring the car to a stop, we put a finger on the exhaust. You heard it rev a couple of times there. We had a back wheel off the ground as we turned some of those corners quite sharply. It got nowhere near full speed on this garden, as you saw, but it will go a lot faster than that. Very good truck for a beginner, as it's easy to work on, easy to get spares for, and easy to start. That's the car. It's a Thunder Tiger SSK DT10, and it's on eBay. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask via eBay.